What's up, y'all? Today we getting ready to get into one of the craziest acts ever. I say it's gonna be crazy, really gonna be crazy, because what I'm getting ready to show y'all, few seconds, about to blow y'all minds, like literally. Like, you ever wanted to learn how to make a lower third, and it just frustrated you. You went into Adobe and Photoshop and started creating like the format of it and the layers and the colors, and you got everything set, and then you wanted to animate it, so you had to go into Adobe Premiere and had to do all this. Well, I'm gonna show y'all a for sure way how to do it without doing all that, because I believe that we shouldn't have to go through all that, honestly, to get the results that we're trying to get. So I'm gonna show y'all a sure way to do this. Now, if you hip to CapCut, y'all know that CapCut got like automatic lower thirds, right? But what y'all don't know is you can use certain software to basically make your lower third, set your lower third, and then actually export your lower third and pull it up into your editing software and get the same results that you will get trying to basically do it on your own. What I mean by that, I'm gonna take y'all straight over here. So you got CapCut, boom, I'm popping the CapCut. All right. So it's a couple ways to do it, but I'm gonna show y'all the quickest way to do it, because it really is simple. And you really can do this with any software. Now, what I did was I already put up I already made a green backdrop. So basically I went to Photoshop. I made a green background, like a green screen, and then I recorded it as a video, because this is the hack. If you do it as an image, most likely it ain't gonna work. But if you do it as a video, it's a different way that the software translates the background. Basically, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So let me go over here. Let me go to my what's the name. Let's see. Third. Let me see where I save it at. Where I saved it. That's a screenshot. So it gotta be. Okay, gotta be over here in the video section. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I'm gonna take this. Boom. I'm gonna pull it up in CapCut, right? This is gonna let me. All right, there we go. All right, go through all the little stuff, right? Boom. So now I got my green background. Now, if this would have been like a picture, probably wasn't gonna work, because I don't know why it translates different from a picture, a transparent background with a picture, than it does with an actual video. I don't know why. I can't explain that part. All I know is I'm gonna type in right here. Let me see. I'm gonna go to text, and then let me see, text effects, packaging, text templates. Let me see. Let me go to template and see what happened. Okay, template trendy. I want to go look for lower thirds, chapters. Might have to type it in. I might have to. As you can see, these are some I can just drag down. Really, I can just drag one down. Boom. And if I play it, you see how it came out. Now, if you was just to do this, and you was to take this video off right here, like if I was to do that and I was to bounce this down like this, when you pull it up in your software, it's not gonna pull up with it as a transparent background. Like, literally, it's not. You know what I'm saying? And boom, I can do it like that. I can full screen it or whatever. I can record it, screen record it like that. But even if I screen record it, it's not gonna pull up as a transparent background. It's gonna have that actual black background. This is why I'm saying, like, y'all probably should screen record a green background like this. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you crop it all the way back to the size of your text, then you can go up there. You can change the words or whatever to it. You can go up there and change the words. I can say new collection. I can just type in, video reels. I can just type that in or whatever. I can change the color. It's already acting like it's in a transparent background because it's a green background. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That green screen is what's gonna happen what's gonna happen is when you actually export it, the green background is gonna replace the black background, and it's gonna make it easier. You know what I'm saying? To work with. It's gonna replace the black background. So I can change the color of the what's the name, or I can even use a template if I wanted to. If I wanted to do an animated template, I could even do that. But I ain't gonna do that for the sake of this. I'm just showing y'all. So what you would do is, once you got it and you got the background the same length, basically, boom, you'll do that. Then see now I gotta stretch that out a little bit more. Make sure it fit. All right, there we go. Make sure that's good. Boom. All right. And I can even fade that out if I wanted to. I can animate the fade out or the green screen, but for the sake of the time, I ain't gonna do all that. I'm just showing y'all this is how you would do it. And then you will go up here and you will export it. Type it in, boom. Type it in my third. I guess I call it my third. Do that, right? And I'm gonna export it in my folder. I got it already set to a folder that I'm gonna send it to my 4K captures. All right, boom. And do that. Then I export it, right? Take a few seconds. Takes a few seconds, right? Boom. Once I do that, I can open the folder up. It's gonna be in the folder, and then I just look for it where I type my third. Now look what happens. Voila. It's on the green screen. And that's how you basically gonna take, cause then after that, all you do is you open it up in your software, you chroma key the background out, and you resize it. You know what I'm saying? You resize it to the size that you need it, like it's showing up down here on the bottom of my screen. You resize it like that. If you would like more tips and tricks on how to create better content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, it's your boy Black Hollywood, and this is Content Hacks.